Namaskara, this is Guru. Welcome to Belesiri Gardening Talks. The next upcoming video I'm planning to do is what is the simplest way to start hydroponics or soilless farming. You can just get started using those very simple steps, and I'll tell you what all materials needed and how you can procure it and how you can get started immediately. Okay, because you have been seeing what all things are being grown, and you must be wondering how to grow it, right? So I will tell you how to do that very soon. Let's go and have a look at our Belesiri terrace farm and what all we're growing in our poly house in the site that we're doing. It is just 1,000 square feet site. So why I'm showing all this is, you can do many things, in a small area. So don't worry that you don't have a land or you don't have big farmland and all. Okay, you can do wonders with a very small area. Smaller is the better. You can manage it very well. Trust me. Here is the overall progress. Okay, see lots of tomatoes forming. Oh, you see the bunches. In order to increase the productivity, like you want to have more fruits, you keep shaking the tomato plants whenever you go to your farm. Tomato has both male and female in the same flower. That's the reason pollination happens when you do this. In the open field or open terrace, the pollination happens through some other means like bees and flies or anything else that can help. Even the wind also can help in pollination. However, by vibrating like this, you can ensure more fruits in a plant. Some beans are also showing up. This is a fresh batch of amaranthus which is germinated. This is some brahmi and marigold. Turmeric growing well. Here is the groundnut that's growing, and you can see the formation of groundnut. You can make out. It's a joy. This is a ridge gourd, and you can see the female flower. Female flower is always a small ridge gourd with a small flower in the tip. You can see this. And the male flower will be like a normal flower. Here is a cherry tomato bunch. Pruning is done differently here. I will talk about it later in another video probably. These are the jalapenos. Palak is being grown in grow bags in our poly house, and we use coco peat as the medium. This is amaranthus growing in our NFT channels. So we have to check the roots, and they're turning a little brown. This is brahmi, and look at the roots. They are white and very healthy. So these were the updates for this week, and see you next week with more updates in our farm. Thank you. Please subscribe and share it with your friends and like it so that even others can get a benefit out of it. Thank you for watching.